Good morning, everyone. This is my second time with Screencastify, so I'm still learning. If I mess something up, please let me know, okay? So today we're going to be moving on from adding and subtracting fractions like we did in the last lesson, and we're going to be adding to it. And this is going to be kind of fun, I think. So I want to read the question that's on this board, and then we'll go through it together. So Lynn, Paco, and Todd share a pack of 12 cards. And these are your 12 cards. You can actually see them. Lynn gets 4 cards, Paco gets 3 cards, and Todd gets the rest of the cards, of the remainder. What fraction of the pack does Todd get? So, a couple things that we need to know when we're doing this. Our total amount of cards is going to be our denominator for the fraction. We remember denominator is on the what again? Top or bottom? Right, so the denominator is on the bottom. Now, if we do this, each of these fractions will have a denominator of 12. That's your total. So I'm going to write that on my little piece of paper here. So these are my cards, and these are my denominators. So as we read the question again, I'm going to pause and we'll talk about each one. So Lynn, Paco, and Todd share a pack of 12 cards. Lynn gets 4 cards. So 4 is going to be our numerator for Lynn's fraction. So our fraction is going to look like what? Great. So Lynn's fraction is going to be 4 over 12. Now, Paco gets 3 cards. So his fraction is going to be what? Good. So Paco gets 3 total. Now, the other day we learned a little bit about adding and subtracting fractions. And I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this. So if Lynn gets 4, 2, 3, 4 of our cards, and Paco gets 3 of our cards, 1, 2, 3, good. Todd is going to get the remainder or the rest of the cards. Now we could just go through and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Paco would get 5 out of 12. Or we could show our work with math. And I'm going to show you the mathematical way. So if we take 4 12ths plus 3 12ths. Now remember, I'm doing 4 12ths plus 3 12ths because those are our known numbers. We know Lynn and we know Paco. So from last week, we remember that we only add our, which one again? Numerator or denominator? We only add our numerator. So the denominator is going to stay the same. In this particular one, it's going to be 4 plus 3, which we know is 7, over a total of 12. Whoop, there you go. Nice. So we could also say that if we know our total amount, the total pie, the total amount of cards is 12, we could represent that as 12 over 12 because there are a total of 12 cards and we have a total of 12 cards, and that's 12 over 12. And we could subtract what we have from Paco and Lynn's cards, and we would get Todd's cards. Let's see if this works. So we're going to take 12 out of 12. We're going to subtract 7 out of 12, and we will get 5 out of 12. So these are 2 different ways that you can show this problem. You can show it with a drawing, or you can show it mathematically. Both of those are great ways. Well, I hope this helped you guys out, and I will see you guys online. Go enjoy that weather. It's gorgeous outside, or it has been the last couple days. Bye, guys.